If you eat pineapple for a week, this is what happens to your body. In brief moments, a written explanation. Pineapple is a very delicious and nutritious fruit, which helps us to maintain good health. Among other things, it fights swelling, fluid retention and cellulite. It has a yellow-orange bark without spots and long, green and pointed leaves. Its main enzyme is bromelain, a substance that prevents inflammation and improves digestion. In this article we will show you how to take advantage of these properties of this fruit in your favor with the pineapple diet. Since the pineapple is rich in iron and is composed of 90% water, it helps the creation of red blood cells. These are components of blood that carry oxygen and potassium throughout the body, helping to prevent fluid retention. On the other hand, this fruit is hypocaloric, which helps us to lose weight quickly. It should always be consumed when it is ripe and fresh. In case you keep it in the refrigerator, you must turn it constantly so that the sugars are preserved. Another of the great benefits of this fruit is obtained thanks to vitamin C. This promotes the production of collagen, a substance that gives health and elasticity to the skin. In case you decide to start the pineapple diet, you should avoid consuming rancid cheese, alcohol and processed meats. In the same way, you will have to avoid consuming energy drinks and carbohydrates. Instead, you should take 2 cups of tea a day and at least 2 liters of water. Another indication to keep in mind is to limit your intake of oil to 2 tablespoons. The same can be said of spices, vinegar and salt. Also, make sure you have some physical activity during the day. This diet is designed for totally healthy people, since it is a bit extreme. So if you have diabetes, colitis, pineapple intolerance, kidney problems or liver dysfunction or any similar disease, you should not do this diet under any circumstances. Pineapple diet daily schedule. At breakfast you should consume pineapple juice, a fruit, a cup of tea and oatmeal with low-fat yogurt. For the snack between breakfast and lunch, you'll have to drink a glass of pineapple juice and some green salad. At lunchtime, you will satisfy your hunger with 4 slices of this fruit, 1 slice of rye bread, 1 fish or piece of meat in the oven and some green salad. See also, the master diet to reduce 3 kilograms in 48 hours. You prepare this drink it and you will be happy. At the next snack, between lunch and dinner, you will eat 1 apple and a glass of pineapple juice. For dinner you will have 2 slices of pineapple, 1 cup of tea and 50 grams of rice prepared as usual. With this strict pineapple diet, you can detoxify your entire body and lose weight like never before. Remember to start it only if you are in good health to avoid severe problems with it. Share it on your social networks with all your friends so that they can also get all the benefits of the said fruit.